Hey parents, I just want to let you guys know that in front of every table will be a complete lesson plan with a little bit of background information, all the materials that you need on each tray, and what the experiment should look like. So even if you can't remember the video that you're watching today, there will be something there to help guide you the night of the experiment. So have fun with it. Thanks. Hello, my name is Brian Hassan, and I'm here to help you guys understand the experiments we're going to be doing for the PTA STEM night here. And this current one we're going to be talking about is the glow powder drawings. Okay, so you will have most of the prep work done for you for the glow powder drawings, but there will be some stuff that you need to put on the trays. For example, you will need a pencil for each kid on the tray. There we go. You will need some black construction paper on the tray as well. Perfect. You will also need your toothpicks to help them draw. Okay, you will also have a bottle of glue. And then lastly, you will have the glow-in-the-dark powder in the salt shaker. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. All of this stuff will be filled for you already and pre-cut, so you won't have to worry about any of that. And the zinc sulfide, which is the glow-in-the-dark powder, is a really neat material. And it has the property of being able to absorb light and hold light in it for a while, hold the light energy. And then the powder is going to hold the light and then let go of the energy. And so it's going to glow in the dark, or it's going to absorb the light that you put into it, and it's just going to let that light out and be able to be seen as a glow-in-the-dark picture that you're going to draw. And so what the kids are going to do is we have some examples. They're going to take a small piece of paper and they're going to either have maybe like a happy face or a peace sign or their initials or some kind of fun similar star, but nothing too big or elaborate. And they're going to use either the glue and or the toothpick and the pencil to draw their picture. They're going to trace it with the glue, and then they're going to sprinkle some of the powder onto the object, or the picture that they drew. And then when they're done, they're going to come up with something possibly like this, and we can shine a little black light on it, and we'll have some glow-in-the-dark coolness happening. All right, so there's a black light on your table for you as well to help let the kids see their light. And we can also choose to air dry and heat dry some of the pieces to speed up the drying process. But lastly, parents and teachers, whoever's doing this stuff is expensive, and we want to make sure we save as much of it as possible. So whatever is left over and extra on the kids' black paper, please dump it into this bowl, and then we can refunnel it back into the salt shakers. So do your best to try to conserve this as much as possible. Let the kids have fun. Put as much as they need to on there, but whatever's left over, try to save into the bowl. All right, hope you have fun with the kids, and now they're going to go ahead and do it so you guys can see what it looks like. Yep, do it. Yep, draw your picture and make it happen. So they can either use the glue straight up or they can use the toothpicks to help. Nice gentle squeezes. The glue does come out kind of quick, so if they need to use the toothpicks to help, they can. Otherwise, they can just try to do the glue on its own. So the stuff does not come out too quickly from the salt shaker, so they do have to work a little bit at it, but try to make sure you save as much of the extra as you can. Okay, once they have most of their glue covered, you can ask them to dump the extra into the bowl. They can place it over on the side table next to you so it can dry, or you can use the heat lamp, but alright, let's see. Can you guys dump it into the bowl right there? Shake off all the extras, make sure it all goes in there. Alright. How does it look? Show the camera if you need to check it out. Does it look good? You need to do a second coat. Yeah, we'll do some editing. Alright, dump out the extras. There you go, nice little tap on the side, dump out that extra. Alright, show the camera so you can see how cool it looks. God, I think it's good. Okay, show the camera. Smile pretty. So now we've got the black light shining on there, so you can see how the powder is absorbing the light, letting it flow back out after taking that light in, so we can see it glowing in the dark. And this blue light will show some cool glowing art that they've done. All right.